You think you're in control. You work hard. You try to save. But the rules are hidden, and the game is deadly. These are 6 insidious financial traps. Will your wallet survive? Trap 1. Impulsive spending. You buy a cute little thing, harmless, but debt creeps in slowly, quietly erasing your future plans. You don't even see it. Too busy chasing trends, chasing now. If you run without stopping, you lose. Who wins? Those who pause and plan their spending ahead. Trap 2. No emergency fund. Everything seems fine, until it's not. Danger can strike from anywhere. You never see it coming. And if you have no backup plan, your plans crumble. When you're unprepared for impact, you lose. Who wins? Those who save before disaster, even a little. Trap 3. Lifestyle inflation. Every raise burns a hole, gone fast. Your income grows, but so do the habits that drain it fast. Do you really need all this? Or is it dead weight pulling you under? Once your spending grows without thought, you lose. Who wins? Those who spend with purpose, not just possibility. Trap 4. Not investing. You close the app, maybe later, right? You froze your money like marbles in a box, untouched. Time moves on, and $1,000 became $97,000. The moment you let fear decide, you lose. Who wins? Those who think long-term and let money grow. Trap 5. Ignoring risk management. All in on one? Really? The truth is, you never really know what's secure. But you ignore the risk and step forward, onto a glass tile. The second you walked in, unprotected, you lose. Who wins? Those who diversify and never bet at all. Trap 6. Not paying yourself. Dreams feel out of reach? Every month you give to everyone except your future self. You're literally pushing yourself right off the playing field. Whenever you put yourself last, you lose. Who wins? Those who pay themselves first, securing tomorrow. Survived all 6 games? Subscribe. Be ready for the next trap.